You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this famous brand, very famous brand of German beer correctly once and for all. If you want to learn more names of confusing beer names, stay tuned. German pronunciation first, so the correct pronunciation. Paulaner. Pau, not Paul. I know a lot of people in English say Paulaner. Paulaner in English, therefore Paulaner. Paulaner beer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.